Welcome to our in-depth review of the Samsung 9 kg 5-star AI Ecobubble washing machine. This fully automatic front-load washing machine is packed with innovative features to make your laundry days easier and more efficient. Let's start with the capacity. With a 9 kg load capacity, this washing machine is perfect for large families. You can wash more clothes in a single cycle, saving you both time and energy. What makes it a standout is its AI-powered Ecobubble technology. It mixes detergent with water and air to create fine bubbles that penetrate fabrics faster and remove dirt more effectively, even in cold water. The HYGIENE Steam feature ensures that your clothes are deep cleaned by releasing powerful steam to remove bacteria, allergens, and stubborn stains. This makes it ideal for those who prioritize hygiene. Another great feature is the inbuilt heater. It helps maintain the right temperature for washing, enhancing the cleaning process while being gentle on your clothes. This washing machine also comes with Wi-Fi connectivity. You can control and monitor it through the SmartThings app on your smartphone. From scheduling wash cycles to receiving alerts, managing laundry has never been more convenient. The digital inverter technology ensures quieter operation, better energy efficiency, and long-lasting performance, backed by Samsung's reliability. The machine's sleek inox finish adds a modern and premium look to your home. With a 5-star energy rating, it's designed to save electricity, reducing your utility bills. To summarize, the Samsung 9 kg AI Ecobubble washing machine combines smart technology, powerful cleaning, and energy efficiency. If you're looking for a feature-packed, reliable washing machine, this is the one for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which feature you loved the most. See you in the next one.